Hello everybody, today we are going to tune a delightful instrument. This week I present to you this glockenspiel. It's a lovely instrument able to produce a soothing sound, but this one has a problem. The last G on the keyboard is slightly out of tune. It is a tad higher, and it produces some overtones that are really annoying when the instrument is played. As you can see, I've also took a tuner that confirms what I hear. The solution is quite simple. We have to remove the G metal plate, shave a bit of metal from it, but not too much, try it and continue until we have the note we want. So, let's take a rasp and we can start. After a lot of trial and error, and a lot of metal shavings on my desktop, we can hear that, even if not perfect, the note is noticeably more in tune now. I've stopped because I didn't want to overdo and ruin the instrument. We also have to remember that this is a toy more than anything else, since I've paid something around €20 for it. I'm sorry that it was such a short video, but I hope that it was somehow helpful anyway. If it was, I invite you to subscribe and leave a like and tell me how it helped you. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week, but in the meantime, remember to keep things alive.